we both got toys. We both got shorts. We both got trousers. We both got dresses. And we both got LOLs. I can have this, but I hope she will not lose it.
Come on. Come on, let's go, guys.
Let's go.
Let's go, Maya.
She can have my yellow.
Show Daddy your top. What does it say?
It says, it's Michaela's birthday. I'm 4.
You're 4?
Yeah, Maya just turned 1. Isn't it, Maya?
Maya, don't touch that.
Come on, guys, let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Michaela. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now?
No, this is not are you 1, are you 2?
Okay, are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4?
Stop.
You're 4. Yay! Are you happy? Do you like your cake? Say thank you to the man because he helped to get your cake. Say
Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy birthday, all the best. And next year you come back here for the 5th.
Yes. Thank you very much. You happy?
Mommy. There's just one candle.
When we go home, we'll get you more candles.
Let's take a candle out.
Yeah.
I want to say all of that. It got bum. It got I don't know how to say it. It got unicorn and it got mermaid.
Oh, is that a unicorn?
Yeah.
This one? Oh, wow.
And that's mermaid.
Mare baby. Okay.
I don't know this one.
Okay. So later we'll get a knife so you can cut your cake, okay? Good. You excited? Well done.
And it got sprinkles.
Yeah.
Hey Maya. Hello.
It got jelly.
Hey Daddy. How do you feel to have a 4-year-old daddy?
Wow, time flies, man. I remember when Michaela was born.
Yeah.
I remember carrying her in my arms. Obviously, you were still sleeping. And now she's 4.
Yeah.
She's actually 4.
4 going on 14. Still don't act like a 4-year-old.
I know.
She's already making friends. That's how she's been to everyone.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayope, and you have Ayo, that's Michaela, that's Maya, and today
It's my birthday! And they're about to go to the beach!
yeah.
The hotel, but this is not the hotel. This is where we paid so we can have at the hotel.
Yeah.
So I was 3, now I'm 4. So we're just going out. So we're waiting for the taxi to come.
The taxi's here already.
And I don't know who's driving.
Maybe Daddy,
I think the taxi.
the taxi man.
Yeah. So yeah.
Because Mommy and Daddy love you so much. Your birthday present. Is that your LOL bigger surprise? Is that what you wanted for your birthday?
Yeah.
What's in there? Wow. No, it says me first. You have to open this one first. Yeah? Okay. Next one.
Which one? This one.
Yeah?
This one.
You have to squeeze it. Squeeze it a little bit. Let me help you. Just press like this, okay? Just press it.
Wow.
Yeah, let me give it to Mara. She can play with it for now.
Oh. I can't open this.
Bring it out for me to open.
Now there's nothing under.
There's something under, yeah.
One more left. Open it, please.
What about this? Have you opened that? Take a little one.
They have like little things inside it. Oh, no, packaging. Wow. That have bottle.
Oh, wow, what is this? Should I help you?
Yeah. It's I don't know what it is, but let's open it. We need to put it in water.
Okay.
It's just open. I have something on.
What?
I don't know. I don't know It's like baking soda. What is this? Wait, so there's no LOL.
There is.
Oh, because the LOL is it?
Unbox us.
This is what you wanted, now LOL surprise, isn't it?
This is a fizz ball.
Fizzy.
So there's no actual LOL inside.
So what's inside?
It's a fizz ball, that's it.
No, you have to open it.
It's not really a fizz ball. Unbox us.
So you don't open it?
You do.
So you leave it as that? No, don't open it. So you leave it in a nylon like this?
No, we don't. We open it.
It's a fizz ball.
Fizz ball.
Daddy, let me show you. If you don't do that, we have to.
What are you doing?
I'm filling some sand in here. And we're going to put a lot so it can fill up. And it can be good. And then we're going to put some How many have I got there?
Now this is gonna take ages. How many people you need mine, Jones? Even Maya's looking.
What's happening?
What's happening?
What's happening? I got a little bit of
Maya is in our own world.
Come to the water.
What's happening in the water?
I want to go in the water.
Sorry, I am relaxing here, as you can see.
No!
I need to relax. You go to the water.
Swim with me.
You lost you me. Oh, lo ya photo.
Mulla swim. Mulla swam.
I would trust you, Daddy.
Okay.
Mickey, are you happy?
Yeah.
Are you happy with your presents?
Yeah.
So what do you say to Mommy and Daddy?
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
You need to say it properly.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
You're welcome, Mickey.
You're welcome, Mickey.
My birthday's over.
You're late, innit? We've been waiting.
Come for Bubbles, too much traffic this time.
Oh, traffic.
Sorry, too
No,
much.
no worries.
I come for Bubbles.
Are you happy with this, please?
Okay.
With the pushchair. Nice.
Skiing. Look what they brought for Michaela
Happy birthday
from the management.
and stuff.
But really, she's 4. Why have they brought sparkling wine for my daughter? Let me see how many percent. 11%? Wow. And water.
Oh, they brought water as well.
They brought water.
Water.
But the fruits are good. Thank you. We appreciate you guys.
No, they're not gonna see that.
Well, you never know. They might subscribe to our channel.
Nice. At least some fruits for us.
Exactly.
Are you finished?
Some fruits. Yes, Mickey.